New shape brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge my
Hey. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Mo Love. If you're new here, my name is Monica, but you can call me Mo. It's all love. It's all love. Thanks for stopping by to check me out. Today's video will be a wig review from my good friends from Sister. This is like my third or fourth review from them, and every time they send me a unit, it is A1. I love it. This is how she came out. Very easy installation. Very beautiful highlights. Yes, honey. Very beautiful. So yes, we'll go ahead and get into the video. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, this is how she looks straight out the packaging. It came in this nice black box. And it came with the net over it. And it also came with the paper insert to help keep it shaped. So this is how she's looking straight out the packaging. Look at these pretty highlights. The color is a number 427 highlight. Very pretty. I love how they distributed the highlights. This is how the lace is looking. It's like a medium brown color. And it is a 13 by 6. And it's a T-part wig, meaning it only has that middle part. So that's the only way you can wear your part. But I love these type of wigs. They're so easy. It does have 2 combs at the top, one in the middle and one at the back. It does have the typical adjustable strap, and it did come with this adjustable band also, this black band, which I love. It helps keep the wig secure. And you really don't have to glue it down or anything. You could just use that strap to help keep it in place. And this is how she's looking. Very soft. It's like a silky texture, but not too silky. Very pretty and fluffy. I love it. Alright, now this is me. I'm just flat iron the wig. I did wanted to wear a straight style. I decided not to curl it. So this is me just straightening the wig.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, only you. I'll be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Alright, you guys, I'm back with the wig on. And as you can tell, I flat ironed her on my wig stand. And I must say, she is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. The color is so beautiful. The highlights are beautiful. Ladies, don't be afraid to try colors. Yes, this wig is giving me life. I'm loving it. It goes nice with my skin complexion. I think this would be nice on all shades. Light skin, caramel, dark skin. I think this would be such a beautiful wig on all kind of shades and complexions. Gorgeous, and I love how straight she is. She flat ironed pretty good. Like I said, the highlights are beautiful. Gorgeous, you guys. And this is how it's looking. All I did was sprayed a little tint spray on it. And now what I'm about to do is cut the lace off. And the lace is looking pretty nice, as you can see. The lace is looking pretty nice. I did not bleach the knots. I don't feel it needs it. But yeah, this is another throw-on wig, you guys. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut the lace off and put my hot comb up here and we'll be done. But yes, very beautiful, you guys. 18 inches, very soft. All right, so let me go ahead and cut this lace off and make it do what it do.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so fed in love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You
Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. This is how she came out. All I did was put a little got-to-be glue up here at the top and a little on the side. I put my little elastic band on for a little while and just ran a flat iron through a little bit. And also I used the hot comb up here to flatten this part with some wax, with a wax stick. So yes, very easy, simple, throw on and go, beautiful wig. I love the color. The length is very nice. This is how she comes in the front. This is how she's looking in the back. Very beautiful, straight. easy, throw on and go. You don't have to glue it down. I have the band that comes with it, so that helps keeps it on place, so you do not have to glue it down or anything. This is a glueless wig. Very nice. So yes, I love it. This wig is a T-part wig, so it's very easy. It came pre-plucked, as you can tell. It came pre-plucked. And T-part wigs are starting to be my favorite because they're so easy. You don't have to do a lot of plucking, you don't have to do a lot of customizing. That's what I like. So you can tell it is pre-plucked. You can pluck it, some more if you would like. The knots are bleached. So you don't have to do that. So this is a very low maintenance but beautiful wig. I haven't experienced no tangling at all. No tangling, no shedding. I'm running my finger straight through it. I'm not getting any tangling, any shedding. So yes, I think this will last a good while. This is a nice little sexy unit to wear maybe for Valentine's. I think this might be my Valentine's wig. So yeah, it's straight. It's pretty good. You can also curl it, but I'm loving this straight look. So yeah, this is A1, you guys. 150% density. So yes, very nice, very beautiful. So yes, I will have all the details in the description box. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out, you guys. Thank you, AF Sister, for sending this out to me. You are like, you my family now, girl. We done, AF Sister, we are family. So yes, AF Sister has not steered me wrong. You can get this wig on Amazon Prime, which will be about 3 to 5 business days. So yeah, so if you're looking for a wig for Valentine's, go ahead and put your order in now, you guys. I love it. All information will be in the description box. Thank you guys for watching. And if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, baby. I'll hit your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I do upload, you guys. And give your girl a like. Doing these videos is not easy. So give your girl a like so my video will circulate a little more in the algorithm. I appreciate you guys, and that will be the end of the video. And until the next one, love y'all.